Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Write about the status of women in the present society. Status of women in present society. The status of women in present society is a complex and multifaceted issue, reflecting both significant progress and ongoing challenges. Over the past few decades, women have made remarkable strides in various fields, but gender inequalities still persist in many areas. Below is an overview of the current status of women in society. 1. Political participation. Women's representation in political leadership has improved globally, with more women holding positions as heads of state, ministers, and parliamentarians. Many countries have implemented gender quotas to ensure women's participation in governance. However, despite these advancements, women are still underrepresented in political offices, especially in senior leadership roles, and face challenges such as gender bias and discrimination. 2. Economic participation in employment. Women's participation in the workforce has increased, and they are now contributing significantly to various sectors, including business, technology, healthcare, and education. However, the gender pay gap remains a persistent issue, with women earning less than men for the same work. Women are also more likely to be employed in informal, low-paying jobs and face barriers to career advancement, such as the glass ceiling and unequal access to opportunities. 3. Education. Access to education for women and girls has improved dramatically in many parts of the world. Today, more girls are attending school and pursuing higher education than ever before. However, in some regions, cultural and economic barriers still prevent girls from accessing education, leading to lower literacy rates and educational attainment compared to boys. 4. Health and well-being. Women's health outcomes have improved globally, with better access to healthcare services, including maternal and reproductive health. However, women continue to face challenges such as gender-based violence, inadequate healthcare services, and lack of access to contraception in some regions. Mental health issues, particularly those related to gender roles and expectations, also affect women disproportionately. 5. Social and cultural status. Social attitudes towards women have evolved, with greater recognition of women's rights and gender equality. Women are increasingly breaking free from traditional gender roles and stereotypes, taking on diverse roles in society. However, in many cultures, women still face pressure to conform to traditional expectations related to marriage, family, and domestic responsibilities. Gender-based violence, including domestic violence and sexual harassment, remains a significant problem. 6. Legal rights and protections. Many countries have enacted laws and policies aimed at protecting women's rights, including laws against domestic violence, sexual harassment, and discrimination. International agreements, such as the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, have also played a crucial role in advancing women's rights. Despite these legal protections, enforcement remains inconsistent, and women often face barriers to accessing justice. 7. Challenges and future prospects. While progress has been made, the status of women in society remains uneven across different regions, cultures, and socioeconomic groups. Women from marginalized communities, including those who are poor, rural, disabled, or belong to ethnic minorities, often face additional challenges. Addressing these disparities requires continued efforts to promote gender equality, empower women, and challenge the structural and cultural barriers that limit their opportunities. In conclusion, the status of women in present society reflects a mix of achievements and ongoing struggles. While significant progress has been made in areas such as education, employment, and political participation, gender inequality remains a pressing issue. Continued advocacy, policy reforms, and cultural shifts are necessary to ensure that all women can achieve their full potential and contribute equally to society.